Hey everyone, Mahesh Sopari here. Today we are talking about WithMe, an all-in-one creator hub that helps you turn your knowledge into income. So guys, if you are ever dreamed of selling your skills, running your own courses, or building a community that actually pays you, this is something you'll want to see. And guys, for those who are new here, I'm just an ordinary Indian guy who started online with no followers, no coding skills, and honestly, no idea where to begin. But today, I earn in US dollars anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000 per month on autopilot, completely online. So, if someone like me can do it, there is no reason you can't. You just need the right platform to get started, okay, and the right strategy. Now you can see, if you go and check out the first link in the description of this video, you'll be finding a free masterclass where I teach everything about affiliate marketing. So there is no need for you to invest thousands of dollars into other online courses. This one is more than enough, and once you're done with the free masterclass, you'll be earning anywhere around $100 to $200 per day completely on autopilot. Alright, now let's talk about WithMe. Okay, so WithMe is an all-in-one hub designed for creators, coaches, and experts. Whether you teach fitness, cooking, business, or even photography, WithMe gives you every tool you need to launch and grow your online business in one place. And when I scroll a bit down, you can see there are already more than 1,000 creators already using WithMe, and they are very successful right now. You can see 137k followers, 4k followers, 167k followers, 1 million followers. They are rocking right now. These creators are really doing well by making use of WithMe. Now you can sell memberships, offer one-on-one coaching, run paid communities, and even create and sell courses or digital products over here, all from a single dashboard. And the best part, guys, unlike other platforms that make you pay around thousands of even hundreds of dollars every single month just to unlock basic features, WithMe gives you everything only under $25 per month, with instant payouts and no upgrades. That means no stress, no limits, and no waiting to get paid, and you can start earning from your audience the same day you launch your program. Okay, now you might be asking why it's completely different with other platforms. What I really like is how simple it is. Okay, it's quite simple to use. I've used other platforms like other course building and hub building platforms, but WithMe, what I see here is completely easy to use. Okay, there is no coding, no tech headaches, and no upsells. You can customize your brand, create landing pages, set up paid messages, manage subscriptions, and even access analytics. Okay, all in one dashboard. You can see here, you can create like multiple content types, collections, community, custom branding is also available over here. Memberships, as I said, one-on-one coaching, paid messages, instant payouts. This is what a lot many people face problems with their payouts. So it has instant payout system with him. Okay, and also you can get sponsor hub, viral link, refer and earn, affiliate marketing, everything got involved into this platform. And guys, it replaces tools worth over $850 per month, from course builders to coaching apps, payment gateways, and social media tools. And you get everything under one roof for just $25 per month. Okay, that's what makes WithMe such a powerful tool for creators in 2025. Now, guys, here is my takeaway. WithMe isn't just a tool, it's an opportunity. So if you are ever wanted to turn your passion or skill into real income, this platform can help you do it faster than ever. And remember, if an ordinary Indian guy like me can earn in US dollars sitting from home, why can't you? The only thing stopping you is not starting. So guys, take that first step today. I've dropped a link below for you to explore with me. Okay, first or second link in the description, and also check out my free masterclass where I share exactly how I build my online business from scratch. Okay, your success is in your hands, guys. Let's make it happen together. Catch you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.